Wala nang walang tulog. Pati ako walang tulog. Check out na kami today, mga people. Kasi magbibiyahe kami papuntang Liton. Maghanap kami ng kainan kasi close na yung breakfast dito. Bibi, wala talaga akong tulog. Yung kagabi natulog kami ng alauna ng madaling araw. Tapos si bata nagising ng alas 4:40. Hindi na siya natulog after noon. Laro-laro lang siya. And then mga 8 na siya natulog ulit. Tapos na kailangan magising. Kaya wala talaga akong tulog. Sumakit yung ulo ko. As in, sabi niya hindi matulog ako sa sasakyan mamaya. Grabe talaga mga people. Hilong-hilo na ako. As in. Tapos sakit ng ulo ko. Batodo. Tapos wala masyadong kain itong batang to. Ito. Wala masyadong kain. Lulu na ito. Ayun na si Di. Kinuha na yung sasakyan. Tapos si Seb bumili ng coffee. Kasi kailangan namin ng pampagising. We're going! We're going na! See, road trip. Up. Ano ka? Kami? Si Daddy? Is it cold? Is it cold?
Fancy.
Really? Oh, it's a nice car seat, baby. You have a nice car seat.
Yeah. Seb can start once we're out of the city.
There's a train, Catriona. Look, train. Chugga. Is it a train? Say bye, train.
It's in the town, it'll be fine. That's what it goes to point.
On-stop kami dito sa may Hungry Jacks para mag-breakfast.
Dino.
You go through by yourself.
I'm coming, Kuya. Go on, Kuya.
Bye! Ikaw with your kuya, sabi ka, wee! Good! Order ako ng 2 kids meal para may toy si Catriona.
There's a straw. No, I don't need it. Do you need it?
It's Naruto! Yan yung free sa kids to niya. Tapos na kami mag-breakfast. Nag-stop muna kami dito para mag-stretch daw si Nadi. Kasi kanina pa siya nag-maniho. Nakaidip ako sa Great Wall na sa biyahe kami. Ito, tulog talaga siya. Pag gising ito, painumin ko to ng gatas. Ayun si Nadi o tsaka Sebi. Sebi.
So either you get an extended break at the prayer time or that's it.
Or PR. Better keep coming back.
Here. Si Papi.
Are we late?
Kuya Teddy.
Guys, this is embarrassing. I don't know how to take this off.
It's Papi. There's Papi there. Papi!
Yeah, Mary.
Who is that?
Let's go give Poppy a hug.
Yeah. That's a puppy. We're called Pack. That's a puppy. See, puppy? You cloudy.
What's inside, baby? Papi give you that one.
I booked in, get my iPhone. Yeah, that's what we did. Yeah.
Ooh.
And I got.
What is that?
I took a picture. I didn't follow.
Let's Kuya Sebi open that one.
I'll have a
You want
report.
Kuya Sebi to open it?
about
Kuya Sebi,
what
please.
and I guess the beauty is this gives a baseline. So when I go back there, they can check if any change.
Ooh.
And
Let me take it out properly.
That'll be something we can do.
Breaking any nice necklaces.
I'm glad we got that done. So Filipino. And she speaks the same language as Mary.
Ooh. So thank you, Papi. Who's that?
Everywhere they still
Is
do
it
that.
Papa Jesus?
What?
You want to say thank you to Papi? Thank you, Kuya Sebi. Yeah.
I'm just a simpleton that goes on and plays.
Set it up properly, but when I ask for a password, it was my password.
Surrounding. Shall I squeeze it? Oh. Never worn anything more fancy than this yet. I know. Let me in every. Did you got photos of it? Why do you have
Dito kami sa My Soldiers Club. Dito sa may Liton. Dito kami magdi-dinner sa my Chinese restaurant. Naglalaro yung isaw. Kumuha yung laruan sa may playroom. Ha?
You think she'd do the same to oranges?
Oranges? No, not much.
Just she loves the bitterness.
Yeah. She can control now.
So this is the time you know.
Nandito na kami sa bahay ng pinsan ni B. And at the moment, nagluto sila ng dinner. Pero kami kumain na kami. So hindi na kami kakain. Chika-chika na lang. And hanggang dito na ang aking vlog mga people. Kasi hindi ako mag-vlog while nandyan sila. Kasi alam niyo na, privado yan, privado. And maraming salamat sa inyong palaging panonood. Ingat kayo palagi. God bless and bye.